Hey everyone, welcome back to another internet guru. Today, I'll show you how to invite friends and get bonus on Bybit. First, open the Bybit app on your device, then sign up for an account. I have already signed up. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, click on the Invite Friends option. Here, you'll see the rewards you can earn by inviting others. You can earn over 1,720 USDT and a 30% commission. After this, if you deposit $100, you will receive a $10 bonus. If you make a fiat deposit, you will get a $7 bonus. Then, if you trade $500, you will receive a $15 bonus. And if you trade $10,000, you will get a $1,000 bonus. Next, click on Invite Now and copy the referral link. After that, you can invite any of your friends and earn bonuses. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.